You may have heard that cybercrime is growing rapidly right now, and that small businesses are extremely vulnerable to attack from cybercriminals. Sadly, most small businesses don't survive for more than 6 months after a cyber incident. However, this doesn't have to be the fate of your small business. If you'd like to learn why, I have some good news, because I've decided to release some free cyber risk management video training for small businesses that goes deep into this topic. In this short video, I'll walk you through what this training will cover, why I'm doing it, and why it could be important for you. I'll also explain how you can get free access to the training. Hi, it's John Byrne here, founder of Surviving Cyber, where I help small business owners and managers get to grips with the complex subject of cyber risk. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button. You'll find links to everything I mention in this video in the description below. So before we dive into the content of the training, I want to give you access to a short PDF guide that I recently released called The 3 Big Cyber Mistakes That Most Small Businesses Make. It's a good introduction for the training that's coming. Use the link pages.survivingcyber.com/training to register now for the training that's coming and get instant access to the PDF. I'll also put that link in the video description below. This free cyber risk management training will include 3 videos. Video 1 will explain the cyber challenge and the opportunity facing small businesses now, and how a simple framework can help move your small business towards cyber resilience. Video 2 introduces a strategy for your small business to become cyber resilient. And video 3 explains how to implement a tactical plan for cyber resilience in your small business. I'll also include a free PDF download with the main points covered in the training. I'm doing this training soon to help small business owners and managers learn about managing cyber risk in their businesses. This is a critically important topic for many small businesses, but it's poorly understood. I'm hopeful that my training videos will help bridge the knowledge gap that certainly exists. Small businesses are extremely vulnerable, but your small business doesn't need to become a victim. If you are armed with the knowledge that I will share in these videos, you can take action to manage your cyber risk position and boost your chances of surviving a cyber incident. To get access to the free cyber risk management training for small businesses, register now using the link in the video description below, pages.survivingcyber.com/training. The series launches on March the 3rd, 2022, and all you need is your email address. In the meantime, could you help me out by letting me know your biggest challenge or struggle with cyber risk, to ensure that I include that in the training? I hope you'll join me soon on the free cyber risk management training for small businesses.